morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Gari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management and Studies. Today I am going to present a PPT on financial account. My topic name is Sources of Finance. Let's see what is a finance. Money used to need purchase things and business needs and wants. Finance is defined as the management of money and includes activity such as investing, borrowing, lending, budgeting, saving and forecasting. What is the sources of finance? It is a method of getting hold of the money you need. Sources of finance are the most explored area, especially for the entrepreneur about to start a new business. It is perhaps two thoughts part of all the efforts. Finance is the most important aspect when starting a new business. There are various sources of finance classified on the basis of time period. Time period, ownership and control and sources of generation. According to time period, on the basis of time period, sources are classified as long-term sources of finance, medium sources of finance, and short-term sources of finance. Long-term sources of finance. Long-term finance means capital requirements for a period of more than 5 years to 15, 10, 15, 20 years or maybe more depending on other factors. Capital expenditure is fixed asset like plant and machinery, land and building, etc. Example, share capital or equity share, preference share capital or preference share, retained earning or internal accruals, debenture, bonds, terms from financial institute, government and commercial banks, venture funding, assets securitization, international functioning by way or euro issues. Medium-term sources of finance. Medium-term financing means financing a period of 3 to 5 years and is used generally for two reasons. One, when long-term capital is not available for the time being, and second, when deferred revenue expenditure like advertisement are made which are to be written off over a period of 3 to 5 years. Example, preference share capital, preference shares, debenture or bonds, medium term loans from financial institute, government and commercial banks. Short term sources of finance. Short term sources of financing are a period of less than 1 year. The need of short term finance arises to finance the current assets of the business like an inventory of raw material and finished goods, debtors, minimum cash and bank balance. Example, trade credit, short-term loans like working capital loans from commercial banks, fixed deposit for a period of a 1 year, less advance received from customers, creditors, payables, factories, services. According to ownership and control. Finance of the classified based on ownership and control over the business. These two parameters are on the important consideration while selecting a sources of finance for the business. On the basis of ownership and control, sources of finance are classified into two: owned capital and borrowed capital. Owned capital. Owned capital is also refers equity. It is sources from the general public by issuing new equity share. Promotes start a business by bringing in the required money for a startup. Following are the sources of owned capital: equity capital, preference capital, return earning, convertible debentures. Borrowed capital. Borrowed or debt capital is a finance arranged from outside sources. These sources is debt financing include the following financial institutions, commercial banks or general public in case debentures. According to sources of generation. Sources According to sources of generation, sources of finance is classified into two: internal sources, external sources. Internal sources. The internal sources of capital is the one which is generated internally by the business. These are the followers: retained profit, reduction or controlling of working capital, sales of assets, etc. External sources. An external sources of finance is the capital generated from outside of the business, a part of the internal sources of fund. All sources are external sources. Example: shares, debentures, public deposit, loans. Conclusion: deciding the right sources of finance is a curricular business decision taken by top level finance managers. Wrong sources of finance increase the cost of funds, which is in turn would have direct impact on the feasibility of project under concerns. Improper match or type of capital with business requirements may be against smooth functioning of the business. Thank you.